dako gikayo among kalipay karon. Dili lamang we are celebrating the 15th year anniversary of what I call the most outstanding educational scholarship program in the country. It started as a dream. Tinood ka na, hagit man to pagsugod. Kaya ang iyang mga katauhan sa lungsod sa Taguluan, iyang nakita na napihig. Pero ang ayan matarong natagaan og equal treatment, especially to students. That is why when I was given the opportunity to sit as a provincial board member, I requested my fellow board members for one simple request, to chair the Committee on Education. Because I believe, as what our Honorable Governor would always say, if we are given education, once given, once received, it cannot be stolen away from you. That is the perfect vehicle for children to prepare for their future.